The consistently changing crypto scene can make it trying and mistaking for new financial backers to enter the market and bet on the best coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum keep on being the top-level crypto coins, they are out of the scope of another financial backer. Thus, they would need to zero in on different crypto coins with a lower cost. The most basic thing with regards to putting resources into crypto coins is to recognize the best ones that can possibly fill from now on. Subsequent to distinguishing those crypto coins, you want to direct broad exploration and do a specialized examination to know the decision about whether to put resources into them. Since Ethereum and Bitcoin have a higher worth, you want to find a crypto coin that has a lower cost, like Dogelon Mars. This crypto coin has turned into a top decision for individuals who are devotees of Dogecoin and Elon Musk. According to a speculation perspective, it can see an ascent before long. We will examine the conceivable worth of the crypto coin in the following couple of years, give you a total value examination, and give you a viewpoint so you can choose whether or not to put resources into the Dogelon Mars ELON. Dogelon Mars outline. Dogelon Mars is an image coin that entered the market after the bull run of the Doge all through 2021. The name Dogelon Mars is a recognition for Elon Musk, a Doge lover. An indispensable component that stresses numerous financial backers is that the Dogelon Mars doesn't have a white paper. The cost of Dogelon Mars is presently at $3.30 E7 US dollars, down 6.63% from its past exchanging volume of $4,035,347. Presently, it is positioned number 127 on the coin market cap, and it has a live market cap of $182,139,698. Its flowing stockpile is 551-465-789-124-062 ELON coins, and it has a greatest inventory of 1,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. On October 30, 2021, Dogecoin Mars arrived at its record-breaking high of $0. The coin's ongoing inventory is 548 trillion, which is more than its whole stockpile of 1 quadrillion. Indeed, even with the high volume of Dogelon Mars, it would be difficult for it to accomplish a worth of 1 cent. The most compelling thing worried for some financial backers is that Dogelon Mars has no guide for now. Dissimilar to numerous different monetary standards, it doesn't offer a reasonable possibility to its financial backers in regards to its utilization. Thusly, numerous financial backers have misgivings about putting resources into this coin. By and by, the coin has been exchanged for over a year. The cost of the Dogelon Mars coin has seen changes over the past year, offering financial backers chances to purchase low and sell high. Thus, this crypto coin merits watching out for in the following couple of years. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation 2023 specialists have blended sentiments about the crypto market in 2023. Most trust that on the off chance that the negative pattern go on all through 2023, it will keep on coming down on different coins. Regardless, there is a decent opportunity that the market will bounce back, and it will assist Dogelon Mars with recovering its worth. We have broke down expectations from numerous calculation-based apparatuses and reasoned that the normal exchanging cost could remain around $0 2023. Assuming that the financial backers gain trust on the lookout, the Dogelon Mars coin's worth can arrive at the most extreme degree of $0. On the other side, the coin's worth can arrive at least degree of $0 the off chance that the market keeps on seeing a negative pattern. Financial backers should remain careful and intently watch the changing elements to trade the Dogelon Mars with flawless timing. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2024 organizations and engineers are constantly attempting to think of various new tasks on blockchain innovation. We saw a quick development in the worth of crypto coins after the send-off of NFTs. In this manner, new tasks can affect the cost of coins like Dogelon Mars. Be that as it may, these are theories and projections from different specialists. There is no substantial strategy that can assist with gauging the Dogelon Mars coin's worth later on. As per our investigation of numerous expectations devices, we anticipate the typical exchanging cost for this coin would be near $0 through 2024. The Dogelon Mars coin's cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0, while it can remain at the negligible degree of $0. The most indispensable thing financial backers need to recollect is distinguishing the perfect opportunity to trade a specific time. Recognizing the perfect opportunity to trade the coin is basic to put resources into the short run. You can purchase the crypto coin at a lower cost and sell it at a more exorbitant cost. In a perfect world, contributing for a drawn-out period is better since it can assist you with yielding great returns and save you from regular cost changes. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2025. While the Dogelon Mars is an image coin, numerous specialists accept it can see an ascent in esteem in the following couple of years. In the event that it can catch the financial backer's eye, it can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0 2025. The coin will remain at a typical cost of $0 through 2025. The anticipated ELON cost for Dogelon Mars is around $0. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 the finish of 2025, which is essentially high contrasted with the ongoing cost. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is extremely encouraging. Dogelon Mars long-haul gauge 2030. Since there are no exhibition measurements or budget summaries to assessing the coin's incentive for 2030 becomes troublesome. By and by, you can find out about the conceivable worth of the Dogelon Mars in 2030 by assessing projections from different cost forecast apparatuses. Cost expectations for Dogelon Mars demonstrate that it will begin at $0, and an increment is normal sooner rather than later. Nonetheless, because of its inflationary nature, it has a lot of hazard. Just digital currency devotees can exploit this coin, and it must be exchanged for a brief time frame. The base ELON value that is supposed to be reached in 2026 is $0. The value developments of Dogelon Mars can be credited to the different variables that influence its worth, for example, online entertainment promotion and declarations. History has shown that when images gain boundless consideration, they can give financial backers returns. The expectation of the Dogelon Mars ELON cost for 2030 is exceptionally encouraging. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 turned into a beneficial venture. As demonstrated in our 2030 cost expectation, the typical conjecture is around $0, with a limit of $0 Dogelon Mars. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogelon Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogelon Mars cost examination. While a large portion of the coins in the crypto market saw an enormous expansion in esteem in 2021, the case has been the inverse for 2023. In the wake of arriving at an unequaled high in November 2021, the crypto market capitalization fell by 60% in the following 6 to 7 months. Numerous crypto coins saw an uncommon fall in their worth all through the initial half year, including Dogelon Mars. The crypto coin was exchanging at $0 the beginning of this current year and tumbled to $0 7-day stretch of July. Dogelon Mars 2022. The interest for Dogelon Mars was driven by the conviction that its connection would prompt huge cost increments for ELON. Elon Musk was one of the fundamental factors that added to Dogecoin's prosperity. Musk every now and again referenced Doge throughout his public appearances. In October 2022, following Musk's $44 billion securing of Twitter, ELON and different images spiked in cost. A few financial backers accepted that these coins could be utilized for membership benefits or tipping. Different images, for example, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, additionally acquired broad consideration. Since no explanation has been made in regards to the connection among Doge and ELON, the cost of Dogecoin has begun to relapse through November. On the off chance that the Dogelon Mars people group gets the potential chance to get the task referenced by noticeable people, for example, Musk, it could assist with supporting the ELON cost. Assuming this situation works out, the Dogelon Mars value